So your friend or family member introduces you to their significant other. They encourage you to get chummy, bond, they say bond. You do that just for a few months or years later, they break up. Now you're caught in the crossfire. So let's talk about taking sides. Or,
Let's talk about it now. Let's talk now.
Well, I don't take sides, you know. From me say the breakup happened, me say, okay, I just want, first of all, from you introduce me to the person, and you say, oh, this is a, I say, I just want to be, I make it very clear from the start. This is amazing, and I'm happy that you're happy. But you see, if this person is my friend, unless they have done something really offensive and something that I find offensive, then they will continue to be my friend. They're not going to be my friend just because they're dating my girlfriend.
They're not right.
No.
Right. Correct.
So if Jody is dating Clive,
right.
Clive is
Wow.
Jody's.
Just let me soak that in a little bit.
If Jody is dating Clive,
Yeah.
Clive is Jody's boyfriend.
Not your friend.
Like me and Clive,
Yeah.
no have no reason
I don't know you like that.
for you hang outside of Jody.
But what
If Jody and I are so close that I'm always around Clive, then Clive becomes my friend.
That's where I'm going.
Clive is my friend.
So let me ask you a question.
So whether him and she break up or not, unless he's done something very offensive,
Egregious.
he's my friend.
If Clive and Jody were both your friends,
Yes.
before they got together,
Right.
like friend,
Would I advise them against it, but continue.
you would.
I don't like when my friends get together.
Why
I
not?
tell them, I say, now this is going to be a problem. Because if this doesn't work out, and any of you ask me to take sides, I am not taking
Well,
sides.
that's when you make it clear. That's when you issue the
Yes,
disclaimer, because if you're
yes.
both friends. But what if Clive and Jody are both your friends and they get involved and Clive hits Jody?
So
This is
that's
all
why I say,
hypothetical.
no,
guys.
so that's why I'm saying it would have to be something that
Egregious.
offends me.
Right, because then you're definitely taking a side.
Because oh yes.
Yeah, but
Clive
if-
hit Jody.
But if Jody comes to you and says,
If Clive hit Jody, me I call the police myself.
Correct. But if Clive met Jody dropping in the toilet every morning because he keeps leaving the seat up and Jody going there and don't turn on the light, or that is Clive and Jody business.
Not Clive and Jody business.
What if Clive cheats on Jody?
If Clive cheats on Jody, I don't know if I would have an issue with him, but I don't know if that would stop me from being his friend.
What if Clive cheats on Jody and Jody forgives him twice, and he cheats on her a third, fourth, fifth, and sixth time?
No, well, if she forgive him twice, then she has set a precedent.
So you
And
don't,
my issue, if she
and you're not going to
forgives,
encourage her to leave him.
if he cheats on her,
Yes.
if she's my friend, she
Yes.
would know how I feel.
Okay.
But he can be remorseful. That's between them. Them things that me not get involved in. I tell you something, because about relationships, people are different. If there's a woman who believes that a man has done her wrong 10 times,
Different people
and
have-
she opts to forgive him, that's not my cross to carry.
Well, they say the best of business in the line of business is to mind the business, and if you have no business, then you have to make it your business to leave other people's
People
business
business
alone.
alone.
But
That's not my cross to carry. If you're okay, that's not my cross to carry.
I have a problem with that.
That's not my cross to carry.
If I see my friend
Yes.
going through a situation where she's cheated on day in, day out, to the point where it's causing her stress, embarrassment, illness, sanity,
So what?
threatening.
You're going to stop talking to the man?
No, but I'm going to tell her that I think the best thing for her to do
No, but Simone, would I tell her that from the second time?
is to catch out of that
I
relationship.
tell her that from the second time.
And
if
I-
you go the third time after me tell you the second time, I'm good. Because you seem to be good. So me not getting
I mean,
it.
I go good. But you're
good.
right. I'm not going to go to Well, I don't know. Maybe I would. Depending on how my friend is, I could see myself going to that man and saying, "What are you doing to my friend?" So maybe I would be the one headed up getting boxed down because I don't know.
You might lose your friend.
Well, you know what? At least I would have lost her
Yeah.
while I was trying to do the right thing.
I wouldn't have a conversation with him outside of her.
Yeah. Well, I think that's respectful.
Yeah.
I would say to her, you know,
I wouldn't go to him one away to say, why I would say, okay, guys.
Right. What's
this
happening?
Is not working right now. This is my opinion. Once I give you my opinion, if you've asked for it, and then you choose to do what you choose to do, may sleep peacefully. Like if I see you heading over the precipice and I say, do not go, you're going over precipice. And you say, no.
I'm not going to sleep peaceful, but I'm going to know that I did try all of the things I could do.
But
when it comes to love, is a serious. People get judgment get clouded, and
if I have two friends and them say, oh, I like this and I like this, and I say, I'm gonna make something clear. If this ends, it's going to be awkward. It's going to be awkward. Now, if I tell you it's awkward and you never care about me, you still pursue the relationship, then when it's done, I don't know if I'm going to tell you it's awkward, and I'm going to say, don't ask me to choose either of you. So it's really going to, so they might make a choice. She might say, well, if you don't stop talking to him, but not talk to him, I'm not going to stop talking to him because I told you.
Has that ever happened to you before?
Yes.
Oh, no, people don't usually really come to me with that. I suppose they know why. But that's not really a nice thing to do, is to say to your friend, you know, if you don't. Well, first of all, if the same scenario, we're going to get there.
Clive says.
Hold on. If you and Clive are friends and Clive hit Jody and you know, would you stop speaking to Clive?
Even if Clive and know my friend and him hit Jody, any man who hits a woman, I have a problem with that.
Would you cut him off?
Yes.
Okay, because that's easy.
All my male friends know this, that I don't abuse of women is not a thing that I know.
Yeah, okay.
No.
Okay, so if you know it, done. What is Clive's question now?
Clive's question is, what if you know that Jody is cheating on Clive?
And the 12 one is friend.
What if you see Jody cheating on Clive? Is that picking sides? Would I tell Clive? I don't think I'd tell Clive. If I saw Clive cheating on Jody, I don't know if I'd tell Jody either. I would go to Clive. And say, brethren, I say something, and I'm saying to you.
Then you're not telling Miss?
No, I'm going to Clive and say, no. If I see him cheating, I'm going to let him know I saw him.
But you're not going to tell Joe?
No, I'm going to make him know I see him. And I'm respecting you enough to come to you.
To say, go on.
To tell you, I see you. I don't rate what you do. And you need to check yourself. You may say, Jody, I do it. I'm going to say, Jody, I see you. As a woman, you wouldn't appreciate it if Clive cheated on you. Check yourself.
I must be the tattletale in the room because
you would have got tell?
If Jody is my friend, had I brought Clive out the road doing something Clive is not supposed to do.
You would tell Jody?
I would pick up my F and I would dial and I would say, hi, Joe. Guess what I just saw? You best believe I am going to be 311, pass it on. I am calling Jody on speed dial.
And I'm call her.
Nope. Especially if Jody and me so. No, sir. I call him and say, Jody, look here. You are exposing yourself to risks because I just was out of door and I saw X doing Y and I had to tell you because I thought it my obligation as your friend to tell you. And I would hope, to be honest, that my friends would do the same for me if they saw that happening. I mean, obviously, Cal, no,
no, me would have go to the person. Would I say, hello, me see you. I saw you. What was that about? Me I give you an opportunity.
Informer.
No, me go respect you and say, look, me see you. What that? If my friend is not enough, nicely, easy way out of it and stay where you are. But this cheating thing not gonna work. But I am not going to say me see him. Cause
I'm gonna say
next thing when she called Clive,
he was in a red shirt.
She called Clive and said, Delia saw you. And Clive said,
I'm a sister.
I'm a cousin.
Unlikely story.
No, but suppose I really him cousin.
Could be true.
Then Jody I say, you see, and then Clive said, but you say your friend quick for mash up or what?
Yeah, but guess what?
You say you quick love run carry
you. But there's an approach.
So next time you see Clive with that woman for true, and you say, me see him again, and she say, hear her again.
Yeah, but
everything she say Clive and she run come tell me. That girl ain't want to see me happy. She fight against my happiness.
Clive ain't gonna go to Jody, or Jody ain't gonna go to Clive and say, who you was with today and what you...
You think so?
Wait, because Jody and I are going to discuss our approach. We're not mosquito flyer road.
Simone, wake
Wait,
up.
no, man. Jody's going to say, hi, babe.
Simone does say, hello,
Clive. You know, how was your day? We're going to start there. How's your day today? You know, I was trying to get you around 3 o'clock.
What's Simone say?
Let me finish.
Simone ever talk to a woman and a woman emotional about a man that cheat on her?
Yes, girl, but for some people, it's at the height of emotion when you are the most strategic.
No, Simone.
Well, if you're not, let me tell you, you got to learn. When he said, you know, at 3 o'clock today, I was so hard at work at my desk because I'm just under so much pressure.
Try starting once upon a time when you say what you say. That is a fairy tale.
Hold on. First red flag. Why he lying? Because you know at 3 o'clock today, I told you I saw him at X place with Y friend. So if it's your cousin, why are you telling me you are at work? So those are the little things that you do without hiring a private investigator.
Mr. Simone kid herself. Them looking at the eye, I say, I want to tell you something, you know. But I don't trust that you're not going to repeat what I'm telling you. No, I'd never say anything. Why do you think I'd say something? You tell them, they're very calm. And them say, oh, that's what you did?
And then they approach you with a knife?
Don't worry, man. I know how to deal with it. This is my personal experience. No, I know how to deal with it. Step out of my car, me drive off, and as me drive off, my phone ring. Hello? Dealer, you know, so somebody see me with a woman and call Jody and tell Jody. I was like, yeah. So who see you? Come here, try to find out Sheffield if me dead, you know. Me say, so who see you? I said, I don't know what she called me and she just accosted me and said, somebody see me. And me I said, okay. Wow.
And I'm saying
all right.
I'm not,
so my approach in life changed. Me I call you, Sheffield, me see you. Me not no woman.
I'm not saying nay because it is an emotional situation. I'm just saying I've also experienced what I am talking about. And I'm saying, ladies, that Delia is talking about may not be the best way because the first thing a man will do is deny. Denial is not just a river in Egypt, right? It is a thing that men do. So I'm saying, if it's one thing I'm going to leave you with, Harris is correct. Emotion is a thing that leads you to a place where you'll approach him with a, object and want to cause pain. I am saying maybe the best way is to use the information in a more strategic manner. It takes a step back. You have to kind of suck it in and figure out how you're going to do it. But there are gains to be made from that strategic
May I go to the man? May I go to him? May I say, Bridget, me respect you enough to tell you some see this. I'm giving you an opportunity to fix it. After that, if you not fix it, I know where we'll go from here. But missing one.
That's it for Girl Talk for this morning. We'll be right back.